Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Revvstark 29-piece oscillating tool blade set. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's get this open. So here we have the instruction manual. So this highlights the different blades that come with it. So most of the blades are high carbon steel, but it does have some titanium plated bimetal blades. Those can be used for cutting soft metals. The other blades can be used for cutting wood, plastic, and plasterboard. And here are the other blades. It has a semicircle blade. And then it also comes with adapters. They're on the back side here. So these are some of the brands that these blades are compatible with without an adapter. And these are the models that use the adapter. And here it says these are not compatible with Starlock. This talks about how to use them, how to plunge into wood, and we have some cautions. So you'll want to read through those before you use these. Let's get this out. So it comes in this nice plastic container. The blades are all individually packaged. So we have different shapes here. We have the semicircle blades, the adapters. So I'm going to head over to my shop and I'll test some of these out. Okay, so I have a board clamped on my bench here. I'll install this semicircle blade. So I'll slide that on my tool, line it up with the pins, lock it down. So there we go. And we'll do some cutting here. Okay, I cut that corner off there. Now I'm guessing most of the time people will not be cutting 3/4 inch thick wood, but I think it does show the capabilities. Let's try the titanium blade. I've got a 10-penny nail. I'll nail that in here. And now I'll try cutting that off. There we go. A few years ago, I was doing some trim work where I had to cut through some wood and some nails, and my blades were just not up to snuff. This blade would have really come in handy. And the nails I was cutting through were actually just kind of pin nails. They're a lot smaller than these, and I struggled to cut through them. This was able to cut through this 10-penny nail, so it would have easily cut through those smaller nails. So that's the Revvstark 29-piece oscillating blade set. I think oscillating tools are very handy. You can use them for trim work, craft work, putting in electrical boxes. There are many uses for them. Having this blade set means I'll have the right blade for the job when I'm trying to cut things, be it wide blades or narrow blades. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.